All right, going over week 16 here. We got the to-do list there. I'll let you check that. I'm just going to talk through what we need to do. So on Monday or Tuesday, you'll come to class. We're going to download our notes, and then we'll run through the PowerPoint together, and then you can check your homework answers here. That should take us a full class period there. And you'll be on your own for that last part, and you can always ask me questions as needed. We're talking about chemical reactions, specifically what are they, what are the pieces of them, and how to identify 5 main types of reactions. Okay, then you don't have to do anything with that. Wednesday, we're completing the type of reactions lab, so you're going to download the lab here, watch this video that will walk through all the different pieces of the lab, and if you have questions, let me know. Thursday, Friday, we'll go over the lab together, and then you'll have a little bit of time to take multiple attempts at the Unit 1, Entry 6, reaction type review worksheet. Okay, that is a worksheet. So I'm going to put that here just so I can remember now. And you get as many attempts there as you need to get 100%. That's it for the week. Love you guys. Appreciate you. Talk to you soon.